Hello students, from today we are gonna start our new chapter HTML. So let's learn about HTML. Okay, so what is HTML? Why we are learning HTML? Where to use HTML? These all questions will be answered in few minutes. Okay, let's start. So let me give you very first analogy to understand what HTML is. Okay, so let me open my MS Paint and I have a picture. Okay, let me open. So look, now you can see this is a very beautiful car. Okay, in this picture what you are able to see, in this picture what you are able to see, right? So in this picture you are seeing that there is the car. See it carefully. This car has wheels. Okay, this car has this front part. This car has this beautiful headlight. This car has this mirror. This car has this sunroof. This car has this front mirror. This car has this front glass. Okay, so every part you can see it very carefully. You can see this car is totally made up of different types of parts. Okay, the front part, the wheels, the door, the handle, the gears, the everything. Okay, so this is the basic structure of a car, you can call, right? Now the basic structure of any website is designed by HTML. Okay, so from HTML what you can do, from HTML you can design the structure of a whole website. Okay, that where the heading of the website will be, where the form of the website will be, where the about section, anything paragraph will be. Okay, so it means by using HTML you can design the structure of an website, of any website. Okay, so in this, like this here, the engineer has designed here the mirror. Okay, here the horn part, here the logo, here the steering. Okay, so this car has so many things. Okay, so same in the website, a website contains many information, many things. The website has its heading, the website has its navigation bar, the website has its menu buttons, the website has its footer section, header section, the layout section, the paragraph section, and everything. Website has buttons to click or submit some forms or perform some actions, right? I hope you are interacted with the websites. Okay, like suppose here it is Google. Okay, when we just open google.co.in, okay, so this is the website. Now look, here is the logo. Like I gave the analogy that here is the logo, right? So you can see here is the logo also. Okay, so this Google website has the logo here. Here is the box. Okay, the search box. So whatever you write and you can search by clicking here. Okay, so now this whole bunch of thing, the whole bunch of a structure is designed by HTML. Okay, so if I click here and if I say ki what is HTML. Okay, now look, we hit enter or we click on the search button and we get lots of information. Okay, so here is the button, image button, here is the video section, here is the news button. So everything here you can see the mic search by voice button. Here you can see again the search button. Here you can see again the Google Apps button. Here again you can see this email. So whole bunch of things is designed by the HTML. Okay, so by using the HTML you can design all the things and all the structure of any website. Like by using the hardware parts you can design the steering, you can design the this wheel, you can design this wheel, you can design this front you can design this front headlight, this horn section. Okay, so everything. So the same analogy goes with the HTML, right? I hope you are understanding that what HTML can do. Okay, so using HTML you can design this, and of course the HTML contains lots of things. It has tags, closing tags, open tags, meta tags, and many more. So if you want to write something on heading, you use heading tag. If you want to add some paragraph, you use paragraph tag. Okay, so this is the HTML, the basic information about HTML. Now let me tell you about the CSS. Okay, this is the basic information demo. I am giving you the very basic knowledge that where it should be used, because before learning what and how, you should learn that why and where it should be used. Okay, now again see this car very carefully. Now you will look, this car has very beautiful color. Okay, this car has very beautiful color, right? This blue color is very looking very beautiful and very pretty. Okay, now the look, this car has amazing design and shapes, right? This car has amazing design that looking very perfect. Okay, so look, this here it is designed this way. Here the wheel is circular. Okay, the door is like this shape. Okay, so the engineer has designed the car in such a way that it looks more and more prettier and very attractive. Okay, so if any customer watches the car, he or she will be thinking that wow, what a beautiful car, right? So the same analogy goes with our website. When we design our web page or any website, we designed by thinking that if any customer comes to our website, if any person comes to our website, he or she should be wowed. Okay, he or she should be surprised. He or she should be surprised by our website. Okay, he must be feel very impressive, very attractive towards it. Okay, by this way only a person can hold his attention to the website. Okay, because beauty attracts, so to add the beauty layers and to add the more prettiness and beautifulness to our website, we use CSS. What we use there? We use to add beautifulness and prettiness, we add CSS, okay, to our website. When we add CSS to our website and when we write code, when we write some code to the CSS, of things get displayed very well and very beautiful and very well. Okay, so the designing part can be done with the CSS. Like look a normal girl and look a girl with makeup. Whom do you choose? I mean, who looks prettier? So probably the girl who did makeup will look very beautiful. Okay, so the same goes with the HTML also. If you design the website just using HTML, this is only the structure. Now when you add the beauty layers, when you do the CSS with it, now the whole bunch of things goes amazing look. Okay, so now your website will be looking very fine, very beautiful, and this whole can be done with just writing some codes in CSS. Okay, so this is the CSS can do. Okay, now if we go to the next, and if now the same, if I talk about the car runs. Okay, how the car runs? Because the engine of the car started and running on. Okay, just because the car is running on the road, right? So to run our website, okay, so suppose to run our website on the browser, if I click something and it opens some another page, it do something. If I suppose some, here is a button. Okay, so like suppose here is the search, here is, I write here what is CSS. Okay, and when I click search button, now look, the designing is good, perfect, the structure is also good. Okay, now when I click on the search button, how it loaded all the information here? There can be the question, like in this car, the car is running on the road. How this car is running on the road? Because it has engine and the engine is starting and working on, right? So the same analogy goes with our web page also, or our website also. When you perform any action on the website just by clicking, suppose I click this and I get the information, how it is doing? So this can be done by the JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript is like engine. Okay, you can do something, you can perform any task, you can load the things on this page. Okay, you can hide the things on this page. Okay, so this is the basic information about the JavaScript. We will of course we will learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript in more and more details. We can make amazing projects and amazing websites in future. Okay, I hope this video has added some values in your learnings. Thank you so much. We will meet next time.